So you guys remember I got a car, right? And I gotta be honest, y'all, it was just rented. It's not my car. Yeah. No, I'm kidding. The car's still there. Just for the haters, you know, a lot of haters are gonna say, I knew it, he's fake, yada yada. You know what I'm saying? The haters, it's still there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You see now, I need two things. I need a haircut and a hand. And what else do I need? Oh, make sure you guys go watch the latest YouTube video. You know what I'm saying? Salah zoeken vandaag. Ik die prest. Maar wat tot
No, I'm not done. All in, let's go. Go all in on fire.
Kan. Apa second chance? I only have to look at this one. Kita mulai abang. Sing apa? Wow.
To get home. Done? It was nice, but it was not like today just piling the hours.
Time for a little story time. So most of y'all know I got a dog, right? He goes by the name of Milo, right? And I've been looking for this type of dog. It's called a bulldog, English bulldog, for 2 months. 2 months. I've been looking for this dog my whole life. So I finally got it, right? I've had him for about 3 days, and I'm fed up. And I'm selling him for 12,000 if any of you want him. Like, I am so fed up. Let me show you how fed up I am. I am literally sitting on the floor at Panda's house telling Panda to keep him for 3 days. Because this nigga don't sleep. On 9 to 5. Oh, but like 11:30 or 6. And I'm fed up. So if anyone is interested in getting a Milo, come here. Wait, hold up. Milo, just for the video. Anyone interested in a bulldog? He's cute. Trust me, he's cute. He's cute until you have to take care of him.